Hello everyone, welcome to V's Cocina. Today I am here to illustrate this kit for cleaning your ventilations or ducts from your laundry room. I got this in Amazon. I will put the link in my description so you guys can see it. It comes with this and it comes with this brush here, which got stuck to this. But it's supposed to remove the linen that we cannot see, which is a lot. You can it's almost like bendable here, so you can put it in any of your vacuums. And all you have to do is take this out, of course. So you can see it's a lot here, right? We can start with that. See how much. Oh, I have to plug it in. Give me 1 second. Supposed to attract the linen and clean it up, and I'm not gonna talk because you're not gonna listen to me. But not only you get to clean this ventilation here, of course you're supposed to clean it every time you do laundry, right? But you can clean here too. But this tubing is basically to put it inside of the duct where all the linen goes into it. It's the kind of linen that you don't get to see. Let's see how much linen we have. I want to clear this before I actually do that because I want to show you guys how much linen is in there. So I'm just gonna pour this linen from this here, and I'm gonna try to do the duct inside. Give me 1 second so we can get this going here. I'm gonna make sure that everything is gone so we can see it's totally empty. And we're gonna start with this hose in here that we're gonna put inside and see how much is in there. Because there's not that much linen in there stock, and this is important to do at least 6 times every 6 months because your ventilation may be restricted. Your dryer might spark a flare if you have too much deposit of it, of course. So we're pretty good obviously about it. We don't have that much. I thought it was gonna be a lot of there because we haven't done it in a while, but I guess when we clean it, we do a good job of cleaning it because I don't see that much of it in there. But as you can see, there is a lot. There's a lot in the one that I just took from the dryer here. And it was able to scoop everything up here. So if you want to make your life easier, you can buy this attachment. And as you can see, is going to do the job of picking up that linen. Of course, you should definitely wash this. And I'm gonna see if I can pick anything else. Let me see. hose. So I'm gonna try to get the other, use this brush that it comes with and see how good is it. Is it going to do a better job than the one hooked to the vacuum? It comes like all bended like this when it comes in the box. I guess you have to put it back how it's supposed to go, but let's try to go in here and see if I can pick up any other linen. Wow. No linen at all. Okay, I guess it is must be very clean. I think very, very not that dirty. Okay, well, we're doing a good job, I guess. We're definitely doing a good job ourselves. I don't want to bend it again, actually, because then it's gonna be like all bent up. Okay. So anyway, guys, do I recommend this hose with the brush attachment? It was $7 and something on Amazon. That's what I paid when I ordered. I'm not sure if it's gonna stay that price for too long, but I'm gonna put it in the description and you guys can go see. Do I recommend it? Yes, yes, yes. You saw how much the linen from this filter here, it was supposed to filter the linen, right? And now it's completely clean. Maybe I should have shown it to you guys prior to being dirty, but you got to see a little bit of it. Right, guys? Okay, I'll see you next time on Bee's Cocina. If no one tells you special, just the way you are. I hope you guys are having a wonderful day. Okay, I have to put that back anyway. Goodbye. And if no one tells you, you're special just the way you are. Bye-bye.